Hello, and thank you for letting me back into your home. Today we're going to be doing another poem today. This one's called a Cinquain. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to talk a little bit about a Cinquain first. Now, as you can see, I've got my screen here covered in liquid white, so a nice little blank color. But let me tell you a little quick about what a Cinquain is. A Cinquain has 5 lines. The first line has 2 syllables. If you don't know what a syllable is, I'll tell you right now. A syllable is how many beats a word has, or how many times you could clap your hands while saying a word for each little bit. For example, Juno, he's got 2 syllables in his name. And you know what? What the heck? I think that's how I'm going to start my Cinquain here. Now I'm going to put little dashes so that you can see each syllable, right? So when I say Juno, I can go Juno, right? Isn't that nice? You can just hear those little claps right there. Just Juno. All right, so again, you get those 2 little claps for every little syllable in that word, Juno. Now, this first line in the Cinquain just has 2, so we're going to leave that there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of those little dots. You know what we do to get rid of those dots? We go up here, we click on that, and just delete the devil out of them. So this next line, it only needs to be 4 syllables. So let's see, we need to be very careful because we only need 4. We can't have 3 and we can't have 5. And, 6 is right out. So we just need to pick 4 syllables. Is my favorite. Alright, so that's 4 syllables, because if I type it like this, is my, here we go, here's a problem right here. So favorite is 2 syllables, but favorite is 3. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a little apostrophe right there. That way I let me and the readers know that I'm taking out that middle syllable, right? So Juno, that's 2, right? We're going to come back and just make sure we know that that's there. Is my favorite. So we're going to put a little dash here and just let you know that there's only 4. Because if I leave, now what's important though is if I leave that O in there, all of a sudden I've got 5. Is my favorite. And that's not quite a Cinquain. That's something else. It's very pretty. But we're just looking for 4. Alright. So now after that, we've got to do 6. So 6 syllables. Let's go with dog. Dog that's a Sheba Chow. Because he's a little mix. You know what? I'm going to show a little picture of him rolling around while I finish sort of typing this up and doing that. Now he likes to run around and just sort of play in the grass. He's a great little dog. We love having him. So, but there we go. There's, whoop. Yeah, I want that to be looking right. All right. Well, it doesn't want to. That's okay. But there we go. There's 6. So we got dog that's a Sheba Chow. That's 6, right? And you can see with all those little slashes I put in here, just right here, that you can see each and every syllable, and you can count them out loud by clapping. Now, if I were to change this to Inu, right? Oh, see, all of a sudden, now we have 7, and that's not a Cinquain. No, that's something else. It's something very pretty, but it's not a Cinquain. So what we're looking for is we're just making sure that our words and syllables are in the right place. And you know what? Since I just talked about him playing in the grass, let's talk about him playing in the grass. He likes to roll in the grass. Let's count how many syllables that is together, all right? So we got he, 1, 2, likes, 3, 2, roll, 4, in, 5, the, 6, grass. That's 7. Oh, well, flip. We only have 7 right here. So maybe I can change some of this around. Because we're right 7, so I'm going to make sure, here's what we can do. I like this. So we're going to say his name again. We're going to say his name again. So Juno, that's 2, likes 3, 2, 4, 5, roll, 6, in, 7, the 8, grass. And that gives us that eighth line. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that 8th line. Oh, look. I'm learning up in here. Oh, there we go. That's much better. That's the way I like it. We just revised the devil out of it. That's what we do. If we don't like it, we take our words, we dip it in some odorless paint thinner, and just revise the devil out of it. Now, the last line in a cinquain, it also only needs to be 2 syllables. So, and we could just say his name again, but you know what? I just said it right here, so I don't think I will. But you know what? What kind of dog he is? He is a chow mix. And you know what? I just can't get enough of how fluffy and friendly he can be. So that right there is a cinquain. And so I've written in all of these syllables, and you don't have to do that. I did it just so that you could see. You don't have to do that in your poem. But it's how I like to write my poem. So here we go. We've got Juno is my favorite dog. That's a Shiba Chow. Juno likes to roll in the grass. Chow mix. Yeah. You know what? I think I like this poem a lot, especially when I go out on a walk for Juno and let him see what's going on. Well, again, I'd like to thank you for inviting me into your home again. I hope you learned how to write a nice little cinquain right here, and that you learned to count syllables. That seems to be a thing that a lot of people aren't quite sure about, is counting them syllables. All right, well, thank you, and I hope you enjoy this.